La 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 la. Hey, hey, hey. La la la. Hello children, how are you? You're fine? That's nice. How is mommy, daddy and everybody at home? They are good? That's beautiful. So I'm back with reading. With reading. And we said, what do we discover in reading? Yes, we look at sounds. Yesterday, we looked at a different sound. And what sound was that, children? Can I have someone reminding me? Beautiful! It was sound K. And this is the sound. It was sound K. Can you all look here? K. Yes. Don't forget the sound K was facing forward. Okay, children? And you said it had friends like cup, good. Yes, carrot, good. Cow and many other friends, okay? Yes. So today, guess what? We're looking at another beautiful sound of the week. And here it is. Ta-da! And do you want to know which sound is this? It's also sound K. Yes, it also sounds the same like the one we've been learning. It is K. 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 But it's different. They are not the same. Though they sound the same, they are not the same. Each sound has different friends. And this one has different friends. What do you see on the board, children? We have a kettle, right? It's a kite. Yay! Do you play with kites? They fly in the sky. Hey, good. You have keys at home? Car keys, door keys, kitchen keys, keys everywhere. And these friends are for this sound. And so I'm going to teach you how we sing the song for this sound. It goes like this. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites! Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Good children. Good teacher, yes. So this is our sound K. And today we are going to color this sound and the friends. Sound K and the friends. So can we color together? Don't forget, children, when you're coloring, you color inside, okay, children? Yes. And at the same time, you color also the friends. And also we'll have another activity, and that is tracing. We will trace our sound. Good. Trace sound. Good job. Trace. So we say, children, when we're tracing, what do? We join the dots. So we're going to start from the top. We'll join our standing stick down to the bottom. Good. Then we join our slanting stick forward and another one backwards. Simple as that. Can we trace one more time? From top to down, join the standing stick. Join the slanting forward, and then you join the slanting backward. And you're good to go, children. So I hope you're going to enjoy your activities. They are simple. You color and also you trace. Okay, children? Bye. See you tomorrow.